Ayan, kumusta mga bay? Ito na nga po ang unang Pinoy na sasabak ngayong araw. Si Jason Buenaobra. Makakalaban niya ang undefeated ng Amerika mga bay na si Abel Mejia. Si Jason Buenaobra mga bay ay tubong Sorsogon City. Grabe itong American fighter. Sinugod agad yung ating pambato rito mga bay.
Big combination. He looks strong tonight. Wow. Big uppercut.
Sneaky little shot there by Mejia, finds a home.
Ang Pinoy rito yung naka-blue na gloves. Yung undefeated naman na American fighter na si Abel Mejia, itong naka-black na gloves na may pulang strip.
Nice right hand to the body. Strong shot from Abel.
Bumagsak ang Pinoy. Na-counter ang ating kababayan doon.
Looked like a slip, but
Ayun, pero pangiti-ngiti lang ating pambato. Kasi parang nadulas lang siya doon na off balance.
nice right hand for Buenaobra.
Uy,
Good job coming
counter
around.
puncher itong si Abel Mejia mga bay.
Abel inside.
Mejia finds a home. The body
Oh,
right
nakatama doon ang Pinoy.
Another right hand getting through for Buenaobra.
Despite having that knockdown scored against him, Buenaobra does have some confidence here in this first round.
He does. He's landing some shots here. Oh, that was a big right hand from Abel Mejia. Another one.
Combination volume.
Grabe itong undefeated na batang American fighter mga bay.
Battle his way through it.
Huge combination for Abel
Napaka-aggressive.
Mejia. Those
Tapos
shots.
yung minibitawang suntok, ang bibigat. Last 10 seconds ito sa round 1.
And there's the patience he talked about, and then he's right back to his guard, right back in his rhythm and movement.
So isang 6-rounder fight ang match na ito mga bay.
Mejia in that first round.
Natin natin yung replay mga bay.
Here,
Bang, bang, bang.
onslaught from
Napasandal
Abel
sa lupit
Mejia.
ang ating
Those
kababayan.
right hands getting through.
Dito yun. Ito yung na-off balance si kabayan.
That
Pero
was the
nasundan ng
knockdown they
suntok.
called.
Kaya yun, tinawagan ng lockdown.
Looked like Buenaobra was just kind of off balance and kind of took a shot.
Na-off balance din si kabayan.
Super
Ayan mga bay,
inside the ring.
second round na ng bakbakan.
Abel Mejia taking on Jason Buenaobra. TJ DeSantis along with Pearl Gonzalez.
Ang Pinoy
Joining us here
naka
on the UFC Fight Pass for
blue na
following
gloves. Itong American fighter naka black with red strip na gloves. Sumugod agad si kabayan. Nagpakaula, nagkaliwat ka ng kombinasyon. Pero kumounter itong si Mejia na paatras kay Jason Buenaobra.
Abel looking to counter Buenaobra.
Regardless of whether or not you think the knockdown was legit, Buenaobra has tasted the power of
Bumira sa bodega ang Pinoy.
undeterred about trying to bring the fight to Abel.
Pero grabe rin itong American fighter.
Coming from Buenaobra here. He's been inside of this ring 25 times, I think we said earlier, and he's experienced. He's seen. You have to believe he's seen it all at this point in his career. Abel, though,
Kaya
just
napasandal sa lubid na naman ang ating kababayan. Pinaulan na ng suntok nitong si Abel Mejia.
nice and tight, big right hook for Abel, and then back to his stance, back to his structure.
Oh my goodness,
Uy.
good ring generalship and a nice
Ang
right.
lako, parang di na makakatagal dito si Jason.
Buenaobra trying to punch his way through it.
good job of staying nice and tight inside of his shell here, deflecting a lot of these shots, finding his range.
Di na nakakaalis si Jason Binaobra dito sa kanto ng lubid. Agay na counter. Agay na wiggle na rito si Kabayan.
He can close the show here because that hurt him. That hurt Buenaobra.
Buenaobra trying to swing back in time.
Nanginginig na yung tuhod ni Jason Binaobra.
Legs. Nice uppercut.
Nasundan pa ng uppercut.
He's swinging really big, and Abel's catching him.
Look at that brief little just recalculation here by Mejia.
Oh, big body shot from Abel Mejia.
Oh, beautiful uppercut.
Hindi na nakakasangga si
Buenaobra having a tough
Buenaobra
time
rito,
here,
mga bay.
figuring out what to do in this moment here. He's got to get his legs underneath him.
Calculated here is Mejia. He knows he has his opponent hurt.
last 10 seconds dito sa round 2 para
Second round.
makakaabot pa sa susunod na round ng ating kababayan.
This Buenaobra
End of the round.
He grows in his career.
Nasa pangatlong yugto na po tayo ng bakbakan sa pagitan ng undefeated American fighter na si Abel Mejia versus sa ating manlalayag na Pinoy na si Jason Binaobra, mga bay.
Look at that left hook.
even that short little left that kind of pushed Buenaobra off bounds.
Nice combination there from Buenaobra there.
Yeah, Abel's got a very tough game opponent in front of him tonight.
Oh,
Left hand finds home for Buenaobra.
it was a nice exchange, but again, you see the power difference in the two.
Stalking here is Mejia.
Abel
Ay,
attacking
grabe
the
si
body.
Kabayan. Ang dami na ng mabibigat na suntok ng kanyang natamo.
Abel has
Yan, di na makaalis si Kabayan, mga bay. Pinagmamasdan na ng referee.
side of this corner.
Parang ititigil na ito ng referee, mga bay.
He can take, but he's gonna go out on his shield.
Buenaobra trying to
Hindi na niya nasasangga ang suntok nitong si Abel Mejia.
Mejia pushing Buenaobra back into the
Pagka,
corner, landing
ay wala na, yun na, tinigil na, mga bay. Talo po ang ating kababayan na si Jason Binaobra.